Okay, we'll start now. Look at here. So continuation of the Heron's formula. So I hope today we'll finish, or maximum Wednesday we'll finish this chapter. Okay, write the question. Find the area of a quadrilateral. This is a star question. Find the area of a quadrilateral. Find the area of a quadrilateral. Find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD. Find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD. Find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD whose sides are 9 meter, 40 meter, 28 meter and 15 meter. 9, 40, 28 and 15 meter. 15. 9 meter, 40 meter, 40, 28 meter and 15 meter. And the angle between the angle between first two sides is a right angle. The angle between first two sides is a right angle. The angle between first two sides is a right angle. Okay, look at here. Look, question is find the area of a, find the area of a quadrilateral. Find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD whose sides are 9 meter. First side is 9 meter. Second is 40 meter. Third is 28 meter. And fourth is 15 meter. Find the area and the angle between the first two sides is right angle. Okay, look at here now. Listen. Okay, we have to draw according to the question. Listen, the angle between first two sides is right angle. Listen here now. So here A, B. Okay, then it is going like this. Okay, A, B, C, D. Listen, here this one is 9 meter. This one 40 meter. And here's this is 28 meter. This one 18 meter. Okay, this angle 90 degrees given. This is the question. Okay, look at here. Listen, here first side is 9 meter, second side is 40 meter, third side is 28 meter, and fourth side is 18 meter. Okay. Look, so how to find? Listen, the angle between first two sides is right angles. Why these people are late? Okay, listen here now. Look, fourth side is 50. Fourth side is 15. 15. 9, 40, 28, and 15. Okay, look at here now. I try the first. Listen, look. First of all, you join this one. Okay, you can find out AC. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. You study this one, Pythagoras theorem. That is 9 meter, 9 square plus 40 square. That is 81 plus 1600, 1681. So AC equal to root of 1681. You studied last year how to find out 1681 root, right? Correct or no? You find that it should be 41. Okay, you got this is 41. Okay, now after that, listen. After that, you find this area. Now you need to find Heron's formula. You can find what area of triangle ABC equal to. It's a right triangle. Right triangle area. How you find out? Right triangle. How to find the area? right triangle, how to find the area? Hello. Area of a right triangle formula is what? Studied or not? For what? Pythagoras theorem. Half base into height. Pythagoras theorem is what? Half base into height. Okay, half BH. So here area of triangle ABC equal to half into 9 into 40. You find out that. Then area of triangle ACD, use the Heron's formula and then add both. Are you okay? Once again, I tell you, look at here. First of all, draw a correct figure according to the questions. The question is saying the angle between first two sides. Okay, the angle between first two sides is right angle. So this angle 90, this is 9 meter, 40 meter. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out this one. So you got that 41. Then find area of triangle ABC, half base into height. We got this one. Then you find area of triangle ACD using Heron's formula. Then add, that is a total area. Do it now. Okay, find first. What do you have to repeat? Last step is what? You find the area of triangle A. First you find area of triangle ABC. First find area of triangle ABC. Okay. Then you find area of triangle ADC. The sides are given 41, 15 and 28. You find out. That's only. Last class you did know. Same. DC is 28. You can check the question now. DC is 28 is given. Anyone absent last class here? Hello. Anyone absent last class? Camera is same camera. Then how you manage now? Camera same camera only. Then what is the problem? I'm talking about total area. Total area you have to find out. CD, check the giant, read the question. It is there. Okay. The question is say what? 9, 40, 28. Don't ask such a small kids. Now Haripriya, I think it's wrong. Minus C, wrong. Ame, okay, that is correct. Amina, correct. Nizir, wrong. Okay, rest all finished first. Dhruv, wrong. Area of right triangle, okay, I want full. Soham, it's correct. Okay, finish it first. No, I'm sorry, wrong. So that means your addition multiplication is problem there. That's the reason. No, not three, not 390. No, Gautam, wrong. Okay, come on, rest all. Karam is correct. Look at here. Hello. See, that means you didn't practice last class not. Look at here. First of all, okay, you got, look, this side is not given. Step by step, listen again. Look, first of all, you write in triangle ABC. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So 9 square plus 40 square, that is 81 plus 1600 equal to 1681. So AC equal to root of 1681 equal to 41. This one now 41. Then area of triangle ABC, half into 9 into 41. Sorry, 40. That is here 20, 180 meter square. That's finished. Okay. Then now you find the area of, listen, now you find area of ADC, area of triangle ADC, ADC. Okay, A equal to 41, B equal to 28, C equal to 15. Okay, C equal to 15. Now, S is what? 41 plus 28 plus 15 divided by 2. How much that? How much that? 40? Sure, no? 42, right? Okay. 84 divided by 2 equal to 42. S minus A. 42 minus 41 equal to 1. S minus B. 42 minus 28. How much? 14, right? Correct or no? Then, who is typing again? Pranav, listen here. I'm doing now. Then, S minus C. S minus C 42 minus C how much? C is 41, 9, how much? Not 9, 15, how much that? How much that? S minus C? S minus C how much? 15? No. 42 minus 15, how much? 27. Then you find the area. Okay, that area you will get. Okay, that area you will get 126. That area you will get 126. Then total area 126 plus 180. So answer is what? 306. 306. Okay, correct it now. Kurol made mistake, correct it now. First you find area of triangle ABC, that is just find half base into height because right triangle. No need to use the Heron's formula. Then you find area of triangle ADC using Heron's formula. Okay. Listen, I have planned some classes for those who missed the class, the first classes, that rational numbers, rationalization and all. Okay, just send me message to make a class for that. Not after the class, not now. Okay, who all missed that classes. Final answer is 306. Two others, two triangles area you have to add. Okay, so try next question, same time. Next, okay. Are you okay now? This is clear or not? Everyone okay? So, Gautam, what you repeat what I didn't understand what you're telling, repeat what I didn't see the question. Every time you're sending repeat what? What did you study in the last class not? Shayan, did you study or not? Okay, what is the Heron's formula? Send me your what you wrote. Hello, I'm waiting your note. Send me what you wrote. Then I'll tell you. Send me now, picture, send fast. Then only I come to know where you reach. Tell me that why writing rough? Why writing rough? Okay, as it is, you send it now. As it is, send now. No, as it is, you send now. Why rough? I'm waiting on book. Send fast within 1 minute. Send me. I'm waiting here. Don't waste others' time. Send me your note. Let me check whether what the mistake. Okay, you got area. You got area is 181. That is correct. Next one, S equal to 42. Okay, S minus A 1, S minus B 14, S minus C 27. Then you find out. Okay, up to here. Okay, then what is the problem? Last class you did know Heron's formula, right? You attended or not? Last class. Okay, use that one. Go back to last class, how we did Heron's formula, apply. That's only. After that, okay, you got, okay, that is here now. Look, you got, listen here. I'm just telling you from your notebook only. Look at here. Look, the formula is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. I'm just reading from your book. S, you got S is 42, right or no? S minus A 1 into S minus B 14, S minus C 27. Okay, then. So then what? 42 we can write. 42 we can simplify. 2, 21, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. 1 we can't do anything. 14, 2 into 7. 27, 3 into 3. Okay, now look. These two one outside. 1, 2, 3 into 3. Then 1, 7. So you'll get how much? 21 into 2, 21 into 6, how much? 1, how much the 21 into 6, how much? 126. Okay, meter square. Then this one, this area 180, you add it. Now you okay or not? You can see the board, what can I do, man? Everyone can see now. Now clear? Okay. So check your net, Priyansh, if you can, okay. So now similar one question, listen here. Okay, you refresh, no problem, okay. Listen, similar one question, so you can do it. Right. The sides of a quadrilateral, right? The sides of a quadrilateral, taken in order are, the sides of a quadrilateral Now okay? Now clear or not? Nasrin, now okay? Okay, listen here. The sides, listen, the sides of a quadrilateral, the sides of a quadrilateral taken in order are 5, 12, 14, and 15. 5, first side is 5, next is 12, then 14, then 15 meters respectively. 5, 12, 14, and 15 meters respectively. And the angle contained by the and the angle contained by the and the angle contained by the first two side is right angle. Angle contained by the first two side is a right angle. Find the area. The angle contained by the first two side is a right angle. Find the area. Do it now. The question is the sides of a quadrilateral, the sides of a quadrilateral taken in order are 5, 12, 14, 15 respectively. 5, 12, 14, and 15. And the angle contained by the first two side is a right angle. Okay, then find the area. Okay, try now. Same figure, meter. Now, Naveen, okay. Okay. Hamina, it's correct. Okay, Arush, correct. Fourteen meter square. Okay, sorry, 114 meter square. Okay. Okay, I'll wait. Let everyone finish this one. Yes, Pranav, correct. Haripriya, correct. Okay, finish. Everyone okay? What? Sai Ram, what is the problem? Sai, why on? The second time now. Sai Ram. Okay, so you finish all. Okay, I hope everyone finished or anyone problem this one? Answer is 114 meter square. 114 meter square. If you want to explain, I'll do it. No problem for me. Okay. Anyone want to explain this one? Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, okay. Who's to explain? Jayant. Okay, look at here. Those who want to listen here. Listen. Look. Listen all. Those who finish also listen here. Not. Okay. The sides of a quadrilateral are 5, 12, 14, and 15 respectively. The angle between first two sides is a right angle. Okay. That means here again same figure only. It's not a it's a rough figure only. Okay. A, B, C, D. Only this thing, these two sides are right angle. Okay. Here 5, then 12, 14, 15. Forget about the length. So it's just a rough figure only. Okay. So we can join this one like previous question. Now in triangle ABC, AC square equal to 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square plus 12 square. That is 25 plus 144 equal to 169. 169. So AC equal to root of 169. That is equal to 30. Now we got this 30. Then area of triangle ABC, half into 5 into 12, that is 630 meter square. Okay. Then area of triangle ACD. Okay, A equal to 13, B equal to 14, C equal to 15. So S equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15 divided by 2. How much this one? We all got how much this one? 13 plus 21. Okay, 21. Sure, no? Okay. Then S minus A, 21 minus 13 equal to 8. S minus B, 21 minus 14 equal to 7. S minus C, 21 minus 15 equal to 6. So area here, you can see the board here now. Okay. Area is S 21 into S minus A 8 into S minus B 7, S minus C 6. How much you got area here? How much that area? 60, 84. Okay, 84. So then add 84 plus 84 plus 30. Correct or no? 114 meter square. Okay, now clear now? For all last doubt. Okay. So now listen. In case anywhere here, suppose you're not getting the perfect one, you got 84 root 2 and all. So then just keep it there. Don't try to add. Listen, suppose this question, we got 84 root 2, one answer. This one is 30. 30. What will you write? 30 plus 84 root 2. That's only. Don't try to simplify. If root 2 value is given, you can simplify it. Is it okay now? Okay, now try one question. The sides of a quadrilateral field, the sides of a quadrilateral taken in order. The sides of a quadrilateral taken in order. The sides of a quadrilateral taken in order are 5, 12, 14 and 15. 5, 12, 14 and 15 meters respectively. The sides of a quadrilateral taken in order are 5, 12, 14 and 15 respectively. And the angle between, we did this one? Oh, we did. Okay. Just change. Okay, listen here. Okay, just change the question. The frame same. The sides of a quadrilateral taken in order are 26, 27. 26, 27, 7 and 24. 26, 27, 7 and 24. Clear now? First side is 26. Second is 27. Next 7. Then 24. Okay. The angle between last two sides, not first two sides. Angle between last two sides is right angle. The angle between last two sides, not first two. The angle between last two sides is right angle. Find the area. Listen, the sides are 26. Sanjay, first side is 26. Second is 27. Next 7. Then 24. And the angle between last two sides, careful that last, not first two, last two side is right angle. Then find the area. So you have to adjust the figure accordingly. Last two side is right angle, not first two. The first, Sanjay, why every time your net some problem there is of other devices. First side is 26, 26. Next 27, then 7, then 24. Okay, do it now. The question is, the sides are 26, 27, 7 and 24. Last two side is right angles, not first two. Adjust the figure accordingly. No. Root, don't change it. I mean, just keep it there. Root, don't change anything. Manasi, how you got? Listen, Manasi, how we got 375.850? 375 point. How you got it? Send me your send me your answer. Come on, fast. Amina, how you got this? How you got? I'm waiting your answer. Both Amina and Manasi. Send me that. Send fast. I'm waiting. Why you didn't send Manasi? Send the paper. Amina, where the paper? Okay, how we got this decimals? 85176. Tell me that. How you got that? 85176. How we got? Where is the your work that? You got it. 85176. How you got that root? Tell me first. Are you using calculator, right? Multiplied. What multiplied? Come on. If you are using calculator, then you can use in school calculator. No, you can school in calculator. Then why you are using calculator? Right? I know this. Listen, those who finish like that, they use the calculator. You are using the calculator. Then what is the use here? We cannot use it. You take the TC and join IGSC syllabus. You can use it. Honestly, you go to IGSC syllabus, then you can use the calculator. In CBSE syllabus, you cannot use it. If you are using CBSE, So later you cannot do anything. Everything depends on calculator only. Don't oversmart like that. Calculator, we cannot use that one. Okay, look at here now, this question. Okay, the question is, the sides of a quadrilateral taken in order are 26. Okay, we make a quadrilaterals, but careful, the last two side is a right angle. You can make any order. Look, only thing last two sides. A, B, C, D. Okay, this angle 90 degree. AB how much? 26. 27. Then 7. 24. Last side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4. Join this. So AC equal to, you will get 26. Correct or no? How? AC square equal to 24 square plus 7 square. That is 576. No. Yeah, 576 plus 49 equal to 625. Therefore, AC equal to 25. It's 25. All got 25 correct or not? 25 correct, right? Okay. So now I'm just asking you. I just writing only the calculations. I not bother that. So calculation your part only. Okay, we got this one. Now area of triangle ADC equal to half into 24 into 7. That is 12. How much? 84 centimeter square, right? 84, right? Okay. Now you find this area. Look at here. Which area? Area of triangle ABC. Come on. I'll show here. Area of triangle ABC using Heron's formula. A equal to 26. B equal to 27. C equal to 25. What is S? How much you got S? Come on. S. How much you got? 39. Okay. S 39. S minus A. 39 minus 26. How much? 39 minus 26. How much? 14? No. 13, right? 13. Okay. S minus B. How much? 39 minus 27. How much? 12. S minus C. 39 minus 25. How much? 14. So then you can find the area. 39 into 13 into 12 into how much? 12 into how much? 14. Okay. Now we cannot find out this. You cannot find out this one area. Look. So 39 we can write 3 into 13. 3 into 13 into 113 here. 12, 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 7. So then you find this one and this one, 1 3 outside, 113 outside, 1 2 outside. Okay, then you'll get like that only will get, not exact answer. Okay. After that, you write this plus 84. Keep it there. Yeah, 78 root 14. You'll get 78 root of 14 plus 84. We cannot find out this one. Just keep it there. Okay. Clear or no? Don't use the calculator and find out. No, use that one. Okay. I can understand whether you are using calculator or not. That's why immediately I ask you. Okay. Explain again what I explained. Dhruv, bring your book. Send me the book. Send me the book. This is the third question I'm doing today. Let me see your book, then I'll tell you. Whether it is hard question or easy question, you cannot use it. It's not illegal. You cannot. It's not allowed. How can you use it? No, send me the question. Then only I can tell you. Manasi, whether it is equal, whether it is easy or hard question, it is not allowed. Suppose like, okay, you want very urgent, can we go to after 4 o'clock? Like that, illegal action. Okay, send me Dhruv, let me see your work. Okay, send me, I want to see the book. Okay. Here, this question work, show me. Then only I can check now whether what is the problem. The last question, what you did as it is, you sent it. Come on, man, send fast. Asma, what happened today also late? Every day you have classes, another classes, only for you. In school? What is that? Which subject? Economics. Economics this time class. Okay. So only for you. Rest all guys is all here. Okay. Where is Dhruv your work? Come on. Don't waste others' time, man. Because this is the fourth question I'm doing. So next Wednesday also you have class, Asma. Wednesday also you have class. Where is the Heron's formula applied? Dhruv, where is the other triangle? Second triangle, you didn't start now. Dhruv, did you start the second triangle? You did only the first part you did. This part you didn't do it. Now, Asma, tell me if you have class Wednesday also, we can little change a little bit. Okay, you can make it okay. This guy, what you telling? Dhruv, you send only the where you applied the Pythagoras theorem. What about second part? And show me previous question also. Tell me, send me that. What network issue and all, man? What network? All of a sudden network is gone. Okay, send me the previous question note. Previous two question notes, send me fast. This is the question number, today's question number 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth one. 1, 2, 3. Send me now. Don't say network issue. Okay. What is this one? You didn't write proper way. The previous, send me previous page. You're not writing regular correct way, because I don't know how you did this one. Show me the first question. Send me first question fast. First question and answer, send me. Okay, so then Wednesday now I have to change. Okay. Sri Kumar, what is the your question? S is what? A plus B plus C by 2. That last class we discussed, no? Okay, so next question, right? Right. A field is a field. Look, a field. This is star question, okay? Okay. Okay. Look, a field is in the shape of a field is in the shape of a trapezium. A field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. Whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. 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 Once again, a field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. Whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. Okay. And the non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. 14 meter and 13 meter. What, Priyansh, your question? I am giving one question. Then why are you asking again here now? Let me finish the question. Look, listen. A field, okay, a field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. 25 and 10. The non-parallel sides are 14, 1, 4 and 13 meter, 1, 3. Find the area of the field. Okay. Find the area of the field. Listen here now. Don't write now. Hey, Don't try. Look at here. You have to keep the knot perfect. As per the first class, I gave instructions how to write and all. Okay, this Dhruv, he didn't write anything in the notebook. That's why he didn't send it. I want to discuss with your parents today itself. Okay, after 4 o'clock, tell your parents to call me. Okay. I want to see the book. Everyone's books. I will ask one day. If any books without writing proper way, you have to write entire books again. Okay, listen here. Here now the question. Question is again, a field is in the form of a trapezium. You heard about trapezium. What is that? Anyone have any idea what is the trapezium? Two sides are parallel. Okay, correct. Okay, two sides are parallel. Any trapezium field shape is seen in trapezium. Any figure? Trapezium shape. Any figure is seen or not? Okay, come on. Forget about quadrilateral man. Outside the book. Anywhere is seen trapezium shape. Some speaker. What speaker? Okay, no, okay, no, any other, come on, just swimming pool trapezium shape, maybe, okay, then perfume bottle, trapezium, okay, any, come on, just, okay, sometimes, okay, farming field, okay, yes, okay, then any other, kettle, what kettle, kite, okay. Kite is a kite only, no, not trapezium, right? Come on. Look at here. Your roof, correct or no? Roof like some house roof like trapezium only. Okay. So now look at here. Okay, listen here. This is the trapezium shape. Okay, I want to ask you one question. Listen here. Listen. I want to ask you one question. Okay, listen here. Listen all. Who's your sister or studied earlier studied here last? Anyone? Just write your name and their name. I just want to know whether you are. Don't write mine. Who's that? Like that. No, don't write your name and who studied that. Okay, Radhika, I understood. Okay, Shivakumar, okay, put that. Gautam, okay, Gautam and Gauri, okay, correct, okay. Abhishek, Abhishek is currently studying now. Sanjay, slowly, don't write all together, okay. Saumya, okay, yeah, okay, Manisha, okay. Denya, okay, Mohit, Kirti, yes, okay. Elenda, okay, correct, okay. 39, who's that one? Ramsha, okay, I know, okay. Saranya, okay. Then Neha, that is you, Nia, right? Okay. Sweda, who's that cousin? Okay, just listen here. Come on. Okay, now this is the lesson here. Now this is the trapezium. Look, A, B, C, D. This is a trapezium. These two sides are parallel. This is non-parallel sides. Okay. Normally, look at here. Area of a trapezium. This side is A. This side is B. The height is H. Height H. Area of a trapezium is H by 2 into A plus B. This is the formula of area of a trapezium. Look at here. Area of a trapezium equal to H by 2 into A plus B. Listen. area of a trapezium equal to h by 2 into a plus b. Okay, first you write that. Right, area of a trapezium equal to area of a trapezium equal to h by 2 into a plus b. H by 2 into a plus b, where h equal to, right, where h equal to height, that means altitude, the height between the parallel sides. Okay, A and B are the length of parallel sides. A and B are the length of parallel sides. A and B are the length of parallel sides. Okay, once again, look, once again, area of a trapezium equal to h by 2 into a plus b. H equal to height. A and B are called the length of parallel sides. The length of parallel sides. A and B are called the length of parallel sides. Okay, now look at here now. Now listen, the sides are here 25. This one 25. This one is 10. This one is 14. This one is 30. Okay. Are you okay? Up to here, okay or not? Look. The sides are, look at here. This one is 10. This is 25, 14, and 30. Okay. So we have to find the area. Area formula is h by 2 into a plus b. Look, h by 2 into a plus b. A 25, b 10. Only thing you can find height. Okay, height only missing. Question clear or not? Are you okay? Everyone, listen. Our purpose is what? To find the area of a trapezium. Listen, don't write now. We are going to find the area of a trapezium. Area of trapezium formula is h by 2 into a plus b. H, the distance between the parallel lines. A and B are the length of parallel sides. Okay, this question we have A 25, B 10, only H only missing. That we have to find out. Plan understood or not? Plan okay or not? Everyone, plan okay? Hello, plan okay or not? Then only we can start. This is one of the star question, okay? Now listen here. So to get the height, listen here. I just draw through C a line parallel to, like this, parallel to this one. Okay, now this is parallel here, this parallel here. Then what about this AECD is a what do you call that one? In a trapezium, both pair are parallel. What do you call that? In a trapezium, this side parallel to this one, this side parallel to this one. What do you call that? It is a parallelogram, right? Correct or no? It is a parallelogram. In a trapezium, in a quadrilateral, opposite sides are parallel. It is called a parallelogram. Okay. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Correct or no? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So that means here 14, this also 14. This is 10, this is also 10. Actually, the total length is 25. So how much this one? EB how much? 50. This is 50. Okay. Are you okay? Everyone okay or not? Or you want to explain again? Come on. Listen here. Once again. Hello. Look. I'll do again. Listen here. First of all, look. Area of a listen all. Area of a trapezium equal to h by 2 into a plus b. H equal to the distance between the parallel lines, and A and B are called the length of the parallel lines. Okay, we have A, that is 25, B 10 we have. Only missing is H. Okay, to find that, through C, we did a line parallel to DA, a line drawn parallel to CE. Okay, I'll give the note. Don't write anything. Okay, I'll give the note. Then that means AECD is a parallelogram. Reason is opposite sides are parallel, and we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So AD equal to CE equal to 14. DC equal to AE equal to 10. Therefore, BE equal to 15. Up to here, clear or not? Those who ask me to repeat up to here, okay or not? Okay, then write up to here. I'll give the note, right? Okay, right? Right. Through C, start like this. Through C, draw a line parallel to DA. Through C, draw a line parallel to DA, which intersect AB at E. Which intersect AB at E. Okay. Then, hence, AECD is a parallelogram. AECD is a parallelogram. AECD is a parallelogram. In bracket, right? Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Okay. And in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So, AE equal to DC equal to 10. And AD equal to CE equal to 14. AD equal to CE equal to 14. Okay. Clear now? Up to here, okay? Your note should be like this. Don't skip any word. Okay. In parallelogram, listen, in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Therefore, AD equal to CE equal to 14. And DC equal to AE equal to 10. Okay, finish it fast up to here. Okay, once again, look at here. Look, once again, listen. Through every, like this question, you have to write this note. Okay, first you draw and draw this line, then write through C. Draw a line parallel to DA, which intersect AB at E. This line okay or not? What Sad, what repeat? How many times I'm telling us every same thing? Through C, draw a line parallel to DA, which intersect AB at E. Clear now? Right? If you have problem, you can check the YouTube now. You can check that one. You can fill that. Don't need to wait for a complete one word by word line. Okay. Then, therefore, A after that, AECD is a parallelogram. AECD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. In bracket, right? Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Okay. After that, AB equal to CE equal to 14. AB equal to CE equal to 14. AE equal to DC equal to 10. In bracket, right? In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Okay. Up to here, okay or not? Now clear all? Guys, up to here, okay or not? Okay. For all asked doubts, clear now. Okay. Actually, we jump from chapter 1 to this chapter. In parallelogram, one detailed chapter is coming. Full chapter is coming. Okay. Okay. Now look at here. Our plan was what? What is our purpose? Hey, come on. What is our purpose? To find the height. Correct or no? To find the height. Okay. Listen here. So now what we'll do? Look at here. Draw CF perpendicular to BE. Right. Draw CF perpendicular to BE. Draw CF perpendicular to BE. Okay, now look at here. After that, stop. Come on, stop. Then, now listen here. You're finding area of triangle CEB. You find area triangle CEB. A equal to 14, B equal to 15, C equal to, how much this one? 13. Okay, 13. So S 14 plus, don't write down, 15 plus 13 by 2. How much? Anyone help me? 14 plus 15 plus 13. 42. 42 divided by 2 equal to 21. So area A equal to root of, and you should write the formula, okay? 21 into S minus A. 21 minus A, 7. 21 minus B, 6. 21 minus 13, 8. So that is how much? Here we get 3 into 7 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. How much this one area? Anyone help me? How much area? 84? Okay, 84. Okay, we got, listen. This area equal to 84. Don't shade it. Just now look at here. Half into 15 into height equal to 84. Listen. Half. You know that area of a triangle is half base into height. Correct or no? Area of a triangle is half base into height. Half into 15 into h equal to 84. So h equal to 84 into 15. No, 84 into 2 going up divided by 15. That is, you have to find out. I'll check now. 84 into 2 divided by 15. 11.2. Okay, centimeter. Right up to here. Okay. Come on. Okay, I'll adjust the camera. Look at here. You start now. Right. You start. Area of triangle CEB. Camera not out of here. You can see. Right. right now, area of start. Area of triangle CEB equal to A equal to 14. You write instead of typing, write in your book. A equal to 14, B equal to 15, C equal to 13. Okay, you find the area. Using Heron's formula, find the area and tell me. Using Heron's formula, you find the area of triangle CEB. Do that one. Pranav, what I have to explain now? You find the area of triangle 13, 14, 15. Find out now. But repeat what? Others, I didn't say anything. You find out area of triangle CEB. Area of triangle CEB. Area of triangle CEB. Find out using Heron's formula. Do that one. You just find the area, then tell me, I'll explain that. Okay, you find the area. Area is, everybody got this same area. You got area. Listen, the same measurement you did 13, 14, 15. I think first question, I think. Yesterday's first question we did 13, 14, 15 we did. Okay, you got area. Now look at here. After that, I'll tell you. Listen, you got area. Listen here. Half into base 15. Height h equal to 84. So h equal to 84 into 2 divided by 15. You'll get 11.2 centimeter. Write this one. H equal to 11.2 centimeter. Okay. Up to here, okay? Now, our purpose is what? What is our question? Normal area of triangle, Lohida. Normal, I didn't understand what you're asking. Normal what? Any triangle you can find out using Heron's formula. Half base into height is right triangle. Half base into height is another formula. That's only. Your class 4, class 5 didn't learn this one. Area of a triangle, half into base into height. Not learn this one. First time you're hearing. Area of a triangle is half into base into height. You didn't hear about? You can, area of a triangle, we can find different formulas. Look at here. So now we got the height. Okay, our aim is to find the area of the trapezium. Okay, look at here. Area of a trapezium is what? H by 2 into A plus B. H we got 11.2 by 2. A full 25. B 10. So that is 11.2 by 2 into 35. This one you calculate it. Okay. H is 11.2. H by 2 into 25 plus 10. Okay. Yes, area of a triangle, both you can use it. Come on, Karam, 7840. What a calculation, man, this one. This is the problem. We have no idea about how to calculate it. 11.2 into 35 divided by 2, 8,040. What a calculation, man, this. $784 wrong. No, wrong. No, 56 wrong. Yeah, that also no problem. Area of a triangle. Okay, we can do that. Area of a triangle plus area of the parallelogram. That's no problem. Same thing only. We can find this area base into height plus area of a triangle. The same. Okay. No, wrong. Priyansh. Wrong. 392. Jayant. 195. You all go to Happy Kids first of all. It is. I'll listen. I'll send you some questions to multiply, addition, divisions, this all. Do that first. Dhruv, 14,000. Okay, listen. The answer is 196 centimeters square. 196 centimeters square. Okay. Okay, check the note. There is another method. After getting height, you can find out area of the parallelogram, base into height, plus area of triangle. That also no problem. Okay. Okay, check. I'll give the time. I'll give 3 minutes. Check. Next question, same only. Same type, another one. Okay. Okay. So try these questions. First, you'll go to class 4. Okay. Okay, write in your book. Okay, write in a book in a box. Let's see your work. Okay. Yeah, you write because you're making mistake in that only. No, write first. 35 into 3, you multiply and write. 35 plus 15, you write. 11 into 10 divided by 2, how much? 25, 7 divided by 4, how much? 10 divided by 2, find out that. Okay? Because you the previous question, let's just do multiplication and division, you make a mistake. 6, 1, 3 plus 2, how much? Right. Everyone write. Okay, finish. Fourth question, yes, 105, yes. Those not getting this also, please leave from this class. Okay, you go to Happy Kids and learn it. I cannot explain that. Okay, so are you check the previous question now? Previous question, same way, another question do it. Okay, look at here now. Next question, listen. Right, two parallel sides of a trapezium, right? Exactly previous method. Okay, maybe I'll ask your book to show neatly, right? Random, maybe I'll check your book. So with the margin, okay, everything clear, correct figure, proper perpendicular should be perpendicular only, not slant line. Okay. Two parallel sides of a trapezium, two parallel sides of a trapezium are 60 centimeter and 77 centimeter. 60 centimeter and 77 centimeter. 60 and 77 centimeter. And other sides are 25 centimeter and 26 centimeter. 25 centimeter and 25 centimeter and 26 centimeter. 25 and 26 centimeter. Find the area of a trapezium. Find the area of a trapezium. Once again, two parallel sides of a triangle. Two parallel sides of trapezium are 60 centimeter, 60 centimeter and 77 centimeter. And other sides are 25 centimeter and 26 centimeter. 26. Find the area of the trapezium. Find the area of the trapezium. Okay, do it first. Okay, I'll ask you a book. Random, I'll check the book. So make sure correct figure, calculations. Don't write anything in margin. If you're not getting, check the previous questions. The question what man? Two parallel sides are 60, 77. Other sides are 25 and 26. This same guys only ask every time asking, repeat the question. Maybe your network some problem that is. Shivakumar, tell others close up. Maybe others are using. Okay, draw figure and try now. I don't know. I'll check the answer. Okay, wait. Let's finish all. I don't know. You find the final answer. I don't have answer. Unit is meter field. Okay, that's centimeter maybe. Okay, so that doesn't matter. Okay, getting now. The sides are what? Not getting. I just show here. The sides are. What are the sides? 60. Look at here. A, B, C, D. First side is 70. This is 77. Here 60. Okay, 13. No. 25, 26. Okay, don't write 60 here. Okay. Then next line, draw parallel line. E. 25. How much here? This one 60. So here 70. Correct or no? 77, right? 77. Okay. Right? So then area of triangle CEB. S equal to 17 plus 26 plus 25 by 2. How much that? How much that? 34. Sure, no? 17 plus 26 plus 25. 68. Okay, 68 divided by 2, 34. S minus A. 34 minus 17, 70. S minus B. 34 minus 26. How much? 34 minus 26. How much? 34 minus 26 is 8. S minus C. 34 minus 25. How much? 9. So area. You can see from here now. Okay. Okay. Area equal to S 34 into 17 into 8 into 9. This one 34 2 into 17 into 17 8 2 into 2 into 2 into 9. Okay, 1 2 how many 1 2 2 117 root of 9 is 3. How much area? Area how much? 204 204 centimeter square. Then half into 17 into height h equal to 204. So h equal to 2 into 204 divided by 17. How much? 24. Okay. So now final. H you can see from here. No, okay. No, I can't see. Okay. Then listen here. Here you can see h by 2 into a plus b. H 24 by 2 into 77 plus 60. This is cancelled 12. So final answer is 1644. Final answer is 1644. Okay. Clear now? Who all got this? Okay. So check today because Wednesday last class of this chapter we finished this one. Okay, almost finished. 90% finished already. Wednesday the last class of this chapter. So Saturday we'll start new chapter. It is called polynomials. So good chapter. Okay. So make sure last two classes not. Okay. Then I can we can do the next class. Okay. This is enough today. Anyone missed due to the network and all? Just go to the just go to your our video and check it. Okay. The test is Thursday, man. Okay, not now. Okay.